Top 05 biggest refueling tanker aircraft in the world. 1. Boeing FA-18E and F Super Hornet. The Super Hornet, therefore, has the additional role of carrying buddy fuel depending on the needs of the mission. Aircraft, Boeing FA-18E and F Super Hornet. Speed record, Mach 1.8, 1,381 miles per hour or 2,223.6 kmph. Role, Aerial Refueling System, ARS, or buddy store. Fuel carriage, 5 external fuel tanks plus internal storage. Fuel volume, 3,000 liters only for buddy roll. Total built, 500. Status, in operation. 2. Dassault Brigade Superintended. The Superintended is another aircraft which has a multi-role and carries a buddy tanker pod. It was built by the French Dassault and served few nations along with the French from 1978. It was recently retired from the French Navy arsenal with the introduction of the Refueling in 2016. Aircraft, Dassault Brigade Superintended. Speed record, Mach 0.98, 748.8 miles per hour or 1,205 kmph. Role, buddy oil refueling pod. Fuel carriage, 2 external fuel tanks. Fuel volume, 625 liters. Total built, 85. Status, retired in 2016. The Superintended also served the Argentine Navy and Iraqi Air Force in the past. 3. Boeing KC-747, largest tanker ever. The KC-747 is the Boeing in the military avatar. It happens to be the biggest tanker in the world. Here are the stats. Aircraft, Boeing 747, KC-747 refueler version. Speed record, Mach 0.92, 706 miles per hour or 1,136.5 kmph. Role, bulk refueler. Fuel carriage, internal fuel tanks. Fuel volume, 190,000 plus liters. Total built, 7, refueler only version. Status, in service with Iran. Retired from American Air Force. 4. McDonnell Douglas KC-10 Extender, second largest tanker. Aircraft, McDonnell Douglas KC-10 Extender. Speed record, Mach 0.89, 682.9 miles per hour or 1,099.5 kmph. Role, bulk refueler. Fuel carriage, internal fuel tanks plus wing-mounted pods. Fuel volume, 161,000 plus liters. Total built, 60. Status, in service. The KC-10 then went on to receive orders from the American military and 2 additional orders from Netherlands. 5. Boeing KC-46 Pegasus, third largest tanker. The KC-46, here are the stats. Aircraft, Boeing KC-46 Pegasus. Speed record, Mach 0.86, 659.7 miles per hour or 1,062 kmph. Role, bulk refueler. Fuel carriage, internal fuel tanks. Fuel volume, 118,200 liters. Total built, 100 plus, estimated. Status, to enter service in 2019.